everyone, this is Candy, your Filipino friend in South Korea. I just want to share this to you, my cooking this morning. Um, Boneless chicken thigh. I cook the same amount of chicken, but look at this. It's different. It's different cooking with the same amount of chicken. So this one is I just fried it, fried Thai legs, Thai chicken, and I think this is tasty. This is my taste. I like this one without any flour. So just fried it. And this one is with chili paste. It's a little spicy, but it's yummy. And my children, they really like red chicken. Every time I cook, I ask them, which do you like, brown or red? But they prepare red. So I cook two kinds of cooking with the same amount of chicken. This red chicken with chili paste, chili sauce, and this just fried chicken. So look at the difference. This is little and this is more. Okay, so that is just sharing for my cooking today. Thank you for watching.